Last video I told you why ACE inhibitors cause a dry cough, but I never told you the full story behind the system they are actually hijacking. That system is called RAAS, and once you understand it, every single blood pressure drug will make complete sense. RAAS stands for the Renin Angiotensin Aldosterone System. It's your body's built-in blood pressure control system, and it's more powerful than most people realize. It involves your kidneys, your lung, your adrenal glands, and several hormones all working together in cascade. When it works normally, it keeps your blood pressure stable. When it goes wrong, or when drugs interfere with it, that's when things get interesting. Let's walk through the cascade step by step. It starts the kidneys. When kidneys detect the blood pressure is too low or the blood volume has dropped, they release an enzyme called renin. Think of renin as an alarm bell that starts the whole system. Renin then acts on a protein in your body called angiotensinogen, which is produced by your liver and just floating around in your bloodstream doing nothing. Renin converts it into angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is still inactive at this point. It's like a key that hasn't been cut yet. Now, angiotensin 1 travels into the lungs when it meets our old friend ACE, the angiotensin converting enzyme. ACE converts angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2, and angiotensin 2 is where the real action happens. Angiotensin 2 does three powerful things. First, it constricts blood vessels directly. It raises blood pressure immediately. Second, it signals the adrenal glands, which sits on the top of your kidney, to release a hormone called aldosterone. Aldosterone tells your kidney to hold on sodium and water, which increase blood volume and raise blood pressure further. Third, it stimulates the brain to increase thirst and release another hormone called ADH, which makes you retain even more waters. So, the full cascade is low blood pressure, kidney release renin, renin converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1, ACE converts angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2, angiotensin 2 raise blood pressure 3 different ways. It's an elegant and powerful system. Now, here's why it is matter pharmacologically. Because every major blood pressure drug targets a different steps in this cascade, like ACE inhibitors like lisinopril block ACE, stop angiotensin 1 from becoming angiotensin 2. That's why they lower blood pressure, and as we covered last video, they also accidentally block bradykinin breakdown, causes that dry cough. ARBs like losartan do not block ACE at all. Instead, they block the angiotensin 2 receptor directly. So, angiotensin 2 gets made but cannot do its job. No bradykinin buildup, so no cough. Aldosterone antagonists like spironolactone block aldosterone, stop sodium and water retention at the kidney level. And renin inhibitors like aliskiren block the very first step, stop renin from converting angiotensinogen in the first place. 4 drug class, 4 different points in the same cascade. To remember the RAAS cascade in order, think of these settings. Really angry alligators always attack. Renin angiotensinogen, angiotensin 1, ACE, angiotensin 2. Really angry alligators always attack. Say it once, you'll never forget the order. Next video, I'm breaking down why warfarin interacts with almost everything you eat or take, and why getting the dose wrong can be life-threatening. Subscribe so you don't miss it.